Hello and welcome. This is the autumn barn painting. First I started out with this image and then somehow I lost the footage up to this point, but no matter. This part of the painting is called the underpainting, where you rough in the base colors and then add layers on top of that. For the roof I took some black and some white and put the roof color in, keeping in mind that the light is hitting the front of the barn. Next we will put the highlights on the barn siding. I made a video of this and it's on my channel. Here is a short version of that, but make sure the paint is dry before using this technique. Next, take some burnt umber and put in the background trees and some raw umber and yellow ochre around the base of the barn. Next, put in some trees and small shrubs with brown mixed with thinner. Now we will add some color to the trees. I usually mix different colors together to use on the same tree. Once the foreground is dry, I'll take some Indian yellow and some yellow ochre and cover the foreground. Then add olive green to create some depth in the foreground. Next, I will rough in the logo. Now once this foreground is completely dry, take some raw sienna and some Indian red and use the dry brush technique over the foreground. Now we will finish the logo. Then using yellow I will put in the tall grass and highlights. Then using brown with thinner, we will put in some small trees and tall grass. Then add a splash of color to the foreground and finish it off with a signature. These paintings are just guides for those people who would like to learn how to paint. Thanks for watching, take care, and please subscribe.